Doge broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what a massive move across the cryptocurrency pairs. We saw Doge ended up breaking our support level in terms of the midterm support, which of course I mentioned to you guys yesterday, and I still have the exact same level drawn, which this would be a perfect area of take profit with this continuation move to the downside. Now, looking at previous price analysis, you can see that we've already tested these levels multiple times, and this is exactly why I put this range into our play, because now that we have retested this support level, the question of course becomes whether or not, from a bullish case scenario, will we be seeing a relief rally at this current state, or of course if we end up breaking below 0.057, what's going to happen to Doge overall. Now, for those of you in the Telegram, we made an absolute crazy 23% trade. Congratulations to those of you that took that shorting opportunity, and right now what I'm focusing heavily on is this level right here in terms of 0.06, and of course for that continuation move. Now, assuming we do see capitulation across the markets, and we tend to see that obviously with the altcoins falling, if we do end up breaking this midterm support level on Doge, the first target for a possible scalping opportunity would remain at 0.066, and of course if that level is broken, then our overall target at 0.057 remains. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see of course the fact that yesterday I talked about this as well. We were starting to create lower lows as we started to push, as well as the fact that although we did have a midterm support level being created on the 4-hour time frames, I warned you guys many times, in order for us to see a bullish case scenario, we would have to try to get above 0.075 and use this level as support first. You can see of course that we failed to do that, and immediately after, once we kept rejecting off these levels, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chance of it actually breaking, and this theory played out perfectly. This is exactly why I mentioned to you guys that if we continue retesting the support, this would be our area of take profit, and some of you guys have made an insane amount of profit off this trade, so congratulations to those of you that listen. Right now on the 4-hour time frame, although we are in extreme oversold conditions, you'll look in terms of the hourly time frame, and you'll notice the fact that the bulls are trying to hold this level. Of course, if we do get a second or third retest opportunity on the hourly, we could be looking for one last retest. As you guys already know, old support becomes new resistance, and this is exactly the play that I would be looking for from a bearish case scenario. Now, enough of the bearish case. I'm sure you guys want to hear some good news on Doge, and I do want to talk about that, of course. If assuming we do end up holding 0.07, and this range of course has a very strong support level on the daily time frame, you'll notice that we have tested it multiple times as well. What I'm waiting to see, of course, is whether or not on the daily we can see a clean break above, trying to retest those exponential moving averages exactly like we did over here. You'll notice the fact that of course Doge ended up falling from this level before, broke below our exponential moving averages, and then we had a retest in terms of that resistance, and then the continuation, and this is exactly what I'm waiting for to see whether or not it will happen. Assuming this V-shaped formation does play out on Doge, of course, on the daily time frame, and we do see a strong recovery, pay very close attention to this range right here, ladies and gentlemen, at 0.08. You can see of course that once this range was broken, we saw a massive move to the downside, which I mentioned and warned you guys many times. But assuming we do see a relief rally and a small recovery on Doge, this is going to be the main level in terms of our target on the daily. This is also perfectly in line with our 20 exponential moving average, so any clean retest opportunity and a continuation is going to be playing a life-changing shorting opportunity, which I will keep you guys posted of course over in our Telegram channel, as well as those of you that have been trading following my videos. So like I said, if we do end up breaking 0.08, this could be the local bottom that we are ideally looking for, but in my opinion, I think the 0.057 level is a much better entry because of the fact that we have already tested this level so many times, and the bulls have obviously failed to break above the 0.08. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.